It will, okay. So this is our brand new year of curiosity. This quiz club runs from January to December. Okay. So we will be meeting alternate Saturdays. So today is third Saturday, first and third Saturday we meet. We will not meet on fifth Saturdays. That will be off. Let's quickly go to the next one. Okay, so what are we going to do in this program? There will be 16 live sessions. You will get 12 take home quizzes. आपको एक link आ जाएगा. You can go to that link and solve those quizzes. And you will also get 2 ebooks to study from. You will get the ebooks later in March and September, not before that. And let's quickly go to the next slide. And we will also have some open quiz sessions, which will be open for everyone across the country. You guys will also get to participate. These sessions will be free for you. They might be paid for some other people. Let's go to the next one. Okay, what we will be covering? We will be covering so many things: the world around us, incredible India, astronomy, wonders of the world, science, animal kingdom, brands and logos, world of sports. So this is how you can improve your general knowledge. Okay. So today we will be starting with the world around us. If you don't know anything about the continents of the world, or if you know, we will be telling you some interesting things about the continents. And then we will have a quiz like we will do every week. Let's go to the next one. Okay. So how does a typical session look like? We will start with a fun fact of the day, which you can share with your friends. ये तुमको मालूम है कि ये कैसे कर सकते हैं? How can we do this? Then we'll have questions. We'll also have post test on the topic, like on the question that we cover. So today we are going to tell you about the continents. Whatever we tell you, we will have questions on that topic. Let's go to the today's topic. Today's topic is continents. Does any one of you know about continents? How many continents are there?
Karthik, there are 7 continents.
Okay.
Seven.
Okay.
Karthik,
Can you
there are
name-
7 continents.
Yes. So I think every one of you knows about the continent. So what is a continent? Continent is a large mass of land. Okay. So there are
And Russia is the biggest continent in the world.
no.
Asia.
Russia is a country. So that is why you are here. You are placed.
Asia is the biggest continent.
Yeah, Asia is the biggest continent, then Africa is second, then Europe, North America. Yeah, so
you will be able to learn this by heart.
you will be able to learn this by heart. We will tell you. Can you show the
Arctic.
on the map? Can you find if I tell you this country, which
Yes, sir.
Germany? You can.
Yes, sir.
That is good. If you don't, we will tell you how to. Okay, so let's go start with a nice fun video which can help.
To me.
You guys watching? You guys like watching videos?
Is it like Asia, Africa, North, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I think you have seen that
came in
video.
the school video, and also we did it in one of the sessions.
Okay, we'll just show. Let me just so it will be repeat. So can we go to that video?
Yes.
So we have a fun video which will help you remember. अगर आपको remember करने में तकलीफ हो गया.
The world is split up into continents, there are 7 in all. And if you get the gist, we're gonna make a list from biggest to small. They are Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and finally Australia. Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and finally Australia.
Hey, my name is Asia, and more than half of the world lives here, but whatever.
And I am Africa with thousands of miles, and my Nile is the longest river. North America, start down in Panama, wide open spaces all the way to Canada.
I'm South America with animals galore, where the rainforest grows cause the rain really pours.
I'm Antarctica, and I'm totally ours.
And I'm Europe, you're welcome for the pasta, pizza, waffles, and fries.
I am Australia, some call me Oceania. I got a lot of islands, too many to explain to ya.
We are Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and finally Australia.
Okay, so was it a fun sound? We will send. This is not a video that we created. We saw this on YouTube and we shared it. We thought we will share it with you. We will share the link with you on the.
Karthik, I have seen this.
Okay, cool. So can you tell me now which is the smallest continent in the world?
Australia.
Australia. Okay, and which are the top three? Asia, Africa, then North America, South America.
South America. Then Europe and Australia.
Yes. Antarctica. Yeah, okay.
Africa, North America.
Yeah, Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and finally Australia. Okay, so we have some fun facts about each of the continents.
My mother told me
Antarctica,
my mother told
Europe,
me about continents.
finally Australia.
Yeah, okay, so we will tell you some more fun things about continents. So they are coming on your screen. Okay, so do you know which continent has the maximum number of countries?
Asia. Europe.
Europe. No, okay. So these kinds of questions you will get to know now. Okay. So we will tell you how many countries.
Karthik told us that Europe. South America. Karthik, South America.
South America? No. South America has only 10 countries. 12 countries.
Then North America.
No, North America has only 3, and then Central America, if you calculate. So North, South America. Let's take a look. Okay, let's take a look. Let it come on your screens. Okay, so there are around 200 countries in the world. Yeah, so Asia is the biggest continent in the world. Asia has
Africa.
Yeah, okay, both in terms of area as well as okay. 2/3, you know, if there are 3 of you, 2 of you are in Asia. Actually, all of us are in Asia because we are in India right now. But 2 of the 3 people in the world live in Asia. Now, the biggest countries in Asia are Russia, China, and India. And it's also home to the tallest mountains in the world, Himalaya. Okay. Do you know which is the most populous country in the world?
Russia.
No.
China.
How many people are there in China? You know, 150
Population.
150 crore roughly. 1.5.
Every day China has around 1,200 TVs.
1,200?
Children every day.
Okay, I'm not sure, but I think India will overtake China by the time you guys are my age. Okay, by the time you guys in next 20-25 years, India will overtake China as the most populous country in the world. Okay, most populous means सबसे ज़्यादा लोग कौन से country में रहते हैं. So China, then Asia, then India has the second most populous. So in the world total there are around 700 crore people. Okay, 700 crore, 700 crore. इतने लोग हैं. उसमें से 125 crores are in India, 150 crores are in China. So more than around 1/3 population is only in 2 countries. Then Asia has another countries such as Pakistan, Bangladesh, Russia, Indonesia, all these. So which are again big countries. Now let's go. So it is also home to the tallest mountain in the world, which is Himalayas. Okay, let's go to the next continent. We will see in Africa. Africa is the biggest continent, second biggest continent in the world. Africa has 54 countries. That is the maximum.
That was the answer.
The answer is 54 countries. So highest number of countries is in Africa. But why is that so? Because Asia में ना 3 बड़े countries है. So Asia has more land, but there are only 3 countries. So imagine you have like 1,000 chocolates, but only 3 people have a lot of chocolates. So there can be 10 people, 10 लोग हैं, उनके पास बहुत सारे chocolates हैं. But in Africa there are many countries, but with smaller land. So that's why In Africa, there are maximum number of countries, which is 54. Now, the major countries in Africa are Egypt. Do you know the Sphinx and pyramid?
Yes.
Yes.
So,
The
Sphinx
pyramid
and
of
pyramid.
Giza, it was one of the Egypt.
Do you know what is Kenya famous? Kenya, what is Kenya famous for?
No.
Kenya has nature wildlife safari parks. There are lions and I think though there are no tigers in Kenya as far as I know. There are lions, so Masai Mara and all these. So East Africa, there are very nice wildlife. So if you watch Discovery Channel, you will see a lot of these documentaries on Kenya, wherein there are lions, there are the other kinds of animals, you know, a lot of wildlife.
Elephants, giraffes.
Yes, giraffes also. Now then there is also South Africa, which all of us know because of their cricket team, right? We watch cricket, so we know cricketing countries. AB de Villiers and then Lungi Ngidi, I don't know. But there will be Menti quiz. There will be Menti quiz. A lot of you are asking. But see, Curiosity Quiz Club is not only about testing your knowledge. It's also about telling you things. Okay, so how do you build this knowledge? That's why. So South Africa makes the highest number of diamonds in the world. It's the largest diamond producer. Do you know what is a diamond?
Yes.
Compound of organic compound.
I know a diamond.
Yes. Okay. Now,
Organic compound.
By the way, this is a quiz club. Today, what we have is for the juniors. Okay, so this is class 1 to 4. Okay, so I think we have some participants who are from the elder age group. So we are welcome to be here. But you know, the topics are going to be more for the younger age group.
class 1 to 4. Okay, so it's like you are playing Virat Kohli going and playing in under 15 tournament. Okay, so yeah, and the world's longest river is Nile. It runs through Egypt. Did you know which is the longest river in the world? It was Nile. Nile. Okay. Let's go to the next continent. Okay.
Hey, one second. Something went. Yeah.
Okay. Then we go to North America. You've seen North America. North America has only 3 big countries and then a lot of Central American countries. So we start with Canada, which is in the north. Have you seen Labrador Retriever dogs?
Yes. Golden retrievers.
Canada's
capital is Ottawa.
Labrador Retriever dog originates from the Labrador region in Canada. Okay, so then after Canada, there below Canada, on the south of Canada, there is USA. USA is United States of America. A lot of you know USA, a lot of your friends, families might be there in USA. And then to the south of USA is Mexico. And then there are
Mexico City.
Mexico's capital is Mexico City. Yes. Canada?
Canada capital is
Ottawa.
Ottawa.
Yes. Or capital of
And
Canada.
its flag, in the flag of Canada, it's a maple leaf.
Yes, maple leaf.
And the capital of Brazil is Brasilia.
Yeah, but Brazil is in North America. Brazil is in South America. Now, in the north,
Belgium is Brussels.
yeah, we will have an entire session on capitals, okay? But not today. Okay, we will not.
Haiti also in North America.
Haiti.
Yes, that
Haiti.
is correct.
Yeah, so Panama, Haiti, Honduras, Cuba, El Salvador, San Salvador. Yes.
So in fact, we were talking about cricket. So West Indies, that's not a country, but those are mostly, you know, smaller countries which are there in the Caribbean. So that's again part of North America. There are actually there's some South American also, but
So send the link again.
We mentally we will send. By the way, guys, remember on 2nd and 4th Saturday there is a senior quiz club. Okay. And for juniors, it's 1st and 3rd. So class 1 to 4 people, your quiz club is today. If you are from class 5 and above, you should come next Saturday, and that will be members only. So yes. Okay. Now, so in North America, there is something interesting. So have you heard of this Niagara Falls? There are 5 great.
Yes, Niagara Falls. I've heard about it.
Yeah, so Niagara Falls is on the border of USA and Canada. So you
Yes.
can actually, It's the highest falls in the world. A lot of water comes falling. So we can show you the video of Niagara Falls. You can see it on YouTube if you want. But that is Niagara Falls. Now,
Niagara.
yeah, biggest. Yeah.
এখানে দেখো নাইগারা ফলস
কি
নাইগারা ফলস লেখা দেখো
নাইগারা ফলস
Yes.
হাইস্ট না বললো তো
Don't worry, we'll send you the notes. Don't worry about the notes.
নর্থ আমেরিকার বর্ডারে
You focus on learning these things. Now in South America, there are only 12 countries, you know, and the major countries include
South America, there are 12 countries in South America.
Okay. Now Brazil and Argentina are, you know, you might be knowing them for football.
Brazil capital is Brasilia and Argentina capital is Buenos Aires.
Yes, Brazil is Brazil. Brazil has won the football World Cup 5 times, you know, 5 times, highest number. And Amazon, you know Amazon.com, but Amazon.com is named after Amazon, world's biggest rainforest. There is a river which is the second largest river in the world. Which is longest
First is Nile and the second is Amazon River.
Yes.
Largest river.
Okay, so Amazon is the largest, it is the biggest river, but it is longest is Nile. Yeah, yes, Anshi, what is your question?
Karthik, I was telling I have a puzzle related with these countries.
Okay, you can send it on chat. We'll see if we can cover this. Okay, so Amazon is a rainforest. It rains every day in Amazon region, you know, and there is, you know, it is rainy and there are multiple
It
different.
is the part of South of America.
Yes, it's in South America. That is correct. Now let's go to the next one quickly. Okay. Now Antarctica is the southernmost continent. Antarctica is very cold. It is around the South Pole. So if you have seen the world is like an orange. Okay, the lower part of the world is where Antarctica is. Okay.
And sir, it is a home of penguins.
Yes. So do you know the fun thing? In Antarctica, there are no polar bears. Polar bears are there only in the north, on the North Pole. Okay, they are there only in the northernmost part of the world. Whereas penguins are there only in
Seals.
seals, penguins, albatross.
Penguins like to live in cold.
Orca whales.
Yes. So Antarctica, there is no one lives in Antarctica. You know that? There is no Antarctica cricket team. There is no only scientists live in Antarctica. Antarctica is the coldest continent in the world. You know?
And who can
There is Antarctica.
in there?
Sorry?
It is so
There is Antarctica. Most colder.
No, Antarctica is the coldest. Okay, Antarctica is the coldest continent in the world. There is night for 6 months and day for 6 months. Do you know? For 6 months there is no sun, and then for 6 months there is no night only. The sun just doesn't set at the north and the south poles. We'll tell you how it happens in the upcoming sessions. So we will have videos wherein you will see why it so happens. But you know, apne yahan pe India mein what happens? The sun rises in the morning and it sets in the evening. So that is, but in at the poles, at the North Pole and the South Pole, there are for 6 months there is only night, and 6 months there is only day. Okay. So then there is Europe. Europe is
No,
is a
sorry, I'm sorry.
is a small
I made a
continent.
typo there.
Yeah,
It's a small what?
it's a small continent, but
It's got 3 big countries.
no, they are not big. You know, the biggest country in the Europe is Germany. Okay, and Germany is, I think,
Germany capital is Berlin.
yes, Germany capital is Berlin, but Germany is smaller than Rajasthan, if I am correct. Okay, Germany is smaller than Rajasthan. Rajasthan is India's biggest state. I will just have to confirm and tell you, but Germany is very small. In India, there can be at least 8 to 10 Germanys fit in. You know, you can fit in 8 to 10 Germanys in India. India is that big. And you can fit around 5 to 6 Indias in Russia, which is the biggest. So in Europe, there are many small countries. Okay, but Germany, UK, France are big. Have you seen Eiffel Tower? Photo of Eiffel Tower? Have you?
Yes,
Yes.
You might have gone to Eiffel Tower. So Eiffel Tower is in Paris, which is in
Tower.
yeah. So do you guys like
Karthik,
these
I will show
monuments?
everyone the Eiffel Tower.
Okay, very nice.
Karthik, I have changed my background to Eiffel Tower.
Oh, good. That is really good. So if you are interested in the monuments of the world, next time when we meet, we'll tell you about the different monuments of the world. We'll tell you about the Leaning Tower of Pisa, tell you about Chichen Itza.
Karthik, next time when we meet,
Sandwich.
with the monuments in Menti.
Yeah. We will have Menti today also. So
Yeah.
don't worry. Once we cover today's continents, in the next 10 minutes or so, we will start the Menti. See, we did not want to give you only Menti. We wanted to teach you something also. But you guys know a lot of things about the world already. So that is good. Let's go to the next continent. Then we have Australia. Now, Australia is the smallest continent. Okay. There is Great Barrier Reef, which is world's largest coral reef. What do you mean by coral reef? These are plants, Gayatri. Are they plants?
Yeah, in a way, yeah, because they are living. Okay, so it's
They are living kind of plants, and they are there in the beneath the surface of the ocean.
It's in fact like the biggest living structure in the world.
Yeah, biggest living structure. And then Australians are known as the kangaroos. Have you seen the photo of kangaroo ever? You must have, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, kangaroo.
Yes, sir. My grandfather and grandmother have gone to Mauritius. They have seen zebras.
Okay, but kangaroos are only there in Australia. Okay, so I think today it's the first session, so we don't want to really give you a lot of stuff. So why don't we do a Menti quiz now? Should we do a Menti quiz?
Yes. So
Yeah,
send the
okay.
link.
Sorry.
Send the link.
Yes.
Yeah, I will. Okay. So the link is there in the chat. I will send it again to everyone. Can you just quickly tell me whether you are there? Can you allow me to share my screen?
Stop sharing. Okay. So, while we go to Menti, I'll just, let you know. So typically what we would do is spend around 20 to 30 minutes discussing something interesting, and last 20 minutes we'll be doing Menti every time. Okay. So today being the first day, we are giving you a little bit of bigger Menti, okay, because we know all of you love Menti. But the idea of this quiz club is we also want you to learn new things. Okay, so that's why we'll restrict Menti time to, let's say, 20 minutes going ahead.
Okay. So is everyone on Menti? Can I just do Ayanshi? Are you on Menti?
Yes.
Kritika?
What?
Yes.
Ansh?
I'm in.
Okay, Sanay, Adya, Sai.
I am
Okay.
Menti.
Agastya, Arav, Shruti. So how to आपको एक chat में in the Zoom chat you would have gotten a link. You have to click that link. Click on the link. If you go on the link, আমি বাংলা বুঝতে পারি, আমি বলতে পারি না.
What were you saying?
I was saying something in Bengali. Don't worry. Okay. So there are some Bengali friends here. So
I am Bengali.
Okay, let's do one fun thing. Okay, let me ask this to Ansh. Okay, Ansh, can you quickly tell us all 7 continents? So while we are waiting for others to come on Menti, let's do a quick quiz here. Okay, this is a quiz club, so we are doing a quiz. Can you quickly?
Asia, Europe, and North America, South Africa, and Antarctica.
Good.
5.
I said 5. Yes.
Yes, you have said 5 so far.
You have not said.
Daddy, I can tell all the continents.
Okay.
Okay, tell now. So and just remember, find out which ones you did not tell. Okay, start, Sanay. You tell.
Okay. Asia, Africa, North and South America, then Antarctica, then Europe and Australia.
Correct, correct.
Okay,
So
yeah.
that song, try to remember this song. Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and finally Australia. So that tells you from.
It's got a nice
Nice
tune.
tune
You can
also.
remember that song.
Okay, and Ansh, don't worry. If you forgot Africa and Australia. Okay, also try remembering these things. Don't mug them up. Ratta mat lagao. But if you do multiple quizzes, you will remember these. I think 19 of you are there on the quiz already. Anyone who has a problem coming to the quiz?
Cause of search.
Can you see me?
Did anyone cause?
Sorry? Okay,
Asia,
we'll start.
Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Antarctica, Australia.
Correct,
Yes,
correct.
correct,
Absolutely
correct,
right. Okay, so now there are.
Can we start the Menti now?
Yes.
We are starting. Okay, so there are 15 questions today. We will have like 30 seconds for each of the questions, all multiple choice because you guys are new. We will have some typing questions
There are
later.
only 5 people in the Menti.
No, there are 19 people. We can see these are just
That's just the love.
love. Okay, 30 seconds to answer, and most important, please no help from parents. Okay, so try solving on your own. If you don't know, we will tell you. We'll tell you some fun things. So
When
why do we do Menti? Because
My
it's
mother goes to
there are no
another.
prizes, but if you do well, it's always good to have. It's like a fun race. It's like when you play cards with your cousins, there are no prizes. You still try to do well.
And remember, it's an year-long thing. Okay, so it's fine if you don't know some answers today. We are sure by the end of December you will be a pro.
In fact, if you don't know anything today, then you are spending your money at the right place because you will learn a lot of things. If you already know, then that's like not the best. Yeah. Anyway, so let's quickly. So many of you, 20 of you already, 21. Very nice. Okay, so please write your name. Write your full name. I'm just giving you time if there is time. For,
Sanay the best.
Okay.
yeah, no worries. Yeah, you can write Sanay the best.
Yeah, as long as we know.
Okay, that's okay. Now, important thing, please note this code. If you
Sir,
get
wait for me,
off,
please.
what you can do, you can go
Karthik,
to menti.com and use this code. Also, please, yeah, who is this? Ayanshi, yeah, tell.
for me.
Sorry?
Wait for me.
Okay. Now, if anyone gets dropped off, I have sent the link again. So you just have to reload your page. If your internet connection is not fast, you might face problems. Okay, but typically it works well. Okay, I see 21. Ayanshi, are you in?
Wait.
Okay, good. Now, if you get dropped off, please just go to the chat in Zoom and click the link or reload. 15 questions, we will start. Okay, first question. Answer fast to get more points. Which of the following is not a continent? You have to tell which is not a continent. 4 are continents, 1 is not. Which one is not?
Guys, it's so easy.
Yeah, we start with an easy one. Wow.
Russia.
Twarita, you have to choose on the Menti. You don't need to send it in chat. Okay, if you have chosen this answer, that is right. But we'll see. We always start with some easy questions so that everyone gets. Let's see.
Everyone is voted.
Oh, one of you got it wrong. One of you went for Australia. Australia is a continent. Okay. Russia is part of Asia. Okay, and part of Russia.
I didn't see Russia. I didn't see Russia in the options.
Who chose this?
I may be in a bit hurry. I may accidentally might have missed that Russia.
Sir,
By the way, Australia. Sorry.
I answered in 1 second.
Very nice. So let's see who answered first.
Okay, and by the way, just one thing on the earlier question. See, Australia can also be a little confusing because there's also a country named Australia. Okay, so but there's also this continent. At times it's called Australasia or Oceania, but in this case, Russia was definitely the wrong answer.
Okay. Wow, so many answers. Tweeto, who's Tweeto? Who is Tweeto?
Karthik,
Yeah.
can you see Ayanshi the princess?
No, you must be not in top 10. What is your rank, Ayanshi?
8.
8. There are ties. That's why you are 8.
Yeah, so
2, 3, 4. No, 7. So there are ties, no? One tie. Yeah.
yeah, there's just one tie.
Yeah, Ayanshi, you must be 10th or below. Don't worry, we will see if you are in
And
top
it's a
10.
15 question.
It's a 15 question. Who is Tweeto? Who is Tweeto?
Karthik, can you go to the next question?
We will, but who is Tweeto? That is important. Anyway,
Yeah.
we'll see. Next question. Here it comes. 22 of you are there on Menti already. Good. Where will you find this? Your answer will be in a zoo, but there is not an option.
Sit in 1 second.
Please,
Karthik, this is too easy.
1 second.
Only 3 seconds.
I got it in 4 seconds.
Good, good,
In
good.
1 second.
I got it in 2 seconds.
I got it in 3 seconds.
See, till the time you get it right, 15 seconds, 2 seconds, 5 seconds really doesn't matter. You should get it right. Are you able to see get this right? Then it's okay. We will start with very easy thing. If you go to the gym sometime, they'll start. See, 15 of you got it right. Others got it wrong. Some of you could not answer in time. Okay. So you will find a kangaroo in Australia. That was a kangaroo. And some of you might not be able to say what animal is that. That was photo of a kangaroo. And 15 of you got it right. So today's quiz is going to be very easy that way. There's no really difficult thing because we are learning.
It's day one.
Day
So,
one, yeah.
It's gonna be a big, year-long program.
Yeah. So now Pranav, Sai was the fastest and she is there in the top, but Pranav is number 1. Okay. Let's go to the next one. See, you should not get any question wrong. If you get a question wrong, you will get 0 points. So, you will come, if you get it later, thoda der se answer kiya, doesn't matter. Now, which is the smallest continent in the world? Now you should remember that song. Asia, Africa, and
Ladies and gentlemen.
This is easy?
This is super easy.
Super easy. Okay, let's see. Oh my God, so many people. So smallest continent is Australia. See, remember, we told you this song. Asia, Africa, then North and South America. First is Asia, second is Africa, North and South America, fifth is Antarctica, then Europe.
Europe, Australia.
Yeah, finally is Australia. Australia is the smallest continent in the world. Okay. Yeah, let's see who got it right, who got the things faster. Okay, Kanishk. Very nice. Kanishk is doing well. He was the fastest here, so he's in the first place. But this can change now. Princess Ayanchi, you are there in top 10 now. Okay, but you have written only Princess, no Ayanchi.
Africa.
Answer fast to get more points. Now, this is something we did not cover. This is tricky question, but general current affairs. Bihu, Pongal, Lohri, Uttarayan are all names of which festival? Are these names of Guru Purnima, Holi, Sankranti, Good Friday, or Muharram?
I must have clicked on the wrong answer.
Oh, yeah. So this is something we did not cover, but see, still so many. Very nice. Sankranti, we had Sankranti just a couple of days back. Yeah, so Sankranti is known as by different names across India. Okay.
Karthik, it's clicking mistake.
Oh, no worries. Don't make mistakes, clicking mistakes. So, do you know where is it called Bihu? I think it's in Assam. It is called as Bihu. Pongal, I think, is in
Kerala. Assam.
in Punjab. They call it as Lohri, and Uttarayan is in Gujarat. In Gujarat, they call it Uttarayan. Yes, very nice. Let's see. Wow. Oh.
Nobody in top 10 got it wrong.
Yeah, you can't get it wrong and still be in top 10. That's why. Okay. But Kritika was the fastest from
Karthik, I am not there.
whose princess then?
Must be some other.
Someone else.
Don't know.
Huh?
Don't know.
Karthik, I was dropped. How many questions were missed?
Okay, Yashika is the princess.
Okay.
Okay, no worries.
No, I'm not the princess.
Then whose princess?
Sharvani.
Sharvani.
Ah,
Oh,
we did
very
not know,
nice.
Sharvani, you are there.
We weren't no, we did not know that Sharvani is there. Okay, good.
Karthik, I was dropped off. How many questions were left?
So 10 questions are left. Don't worry.
Come quickly.
You need to do something about your internet connection though. Which is the biggest continent in the world?
1.404 seconds.
Very nice.
1.88 seconds.
7.76.
Wow. Okay.
Everyone answered in like less than 10 seconds, I think.
You guys are very sharp. We need to make like more questions and we need to make difficult questions. But we didn't want to scare anyone off. So we are giving some easy questions today. But good. Your interest is really fascinating. Okay.
Fascinating fire spikes.
Okay. I will send the link again. Someone got who's?
Fascinating bio spikes.
I have sent the link again. Menti link if you got dropped.
Fascinating bio spikes.
Question 6 of 15. We are doing well on time. We have 18 minutes, so we will be able to cover these. Which of the following games is not played with a spherical ball? Now it's a sports question. We did not cover this. We just checking whether.
This is too easy.
It is. The first day is easy, you know. When you
I go to this class.
Okay.
And speaking of which, I'm getting late for the class. I have to go at 5 o'clock.
Okay, don't worry. Tell them that you don't play with a spherical ball. That's why I'm late. I go only to the classes where you play with a spherical ball on time. Okay, anyway, the answer is badminton. 15 of you got it right. Tennis ball is spherical. Basketball is also spherical. Football is a ball. Badminton is played with a shuttlecock, which is not spherical.
There will be an option called as soccer. It has like a beam.
Yeah, soccer. In US, they call it soccer. In India, we still call it football. Okay, Kanishka took a while to answer, and that's why Kritika.
Okay, I'm in 13th place.
That was the fastest on
Thursday was the fastest. See, you can see so much of change. See, when there are hundreds of people playing the same game, you know, even a small mistake can cost you a lot. And in India, there are crores, hundreds of thousands, hundreds of lives. Who's known as the father of our nation? India. Who's?
I answered it in 1 second. I answered it in 3 seconds.
I hope nobody gets this one wrong. If you get this one wrong, that's a bad thing. I think this was the easiest question. Oh my God! No! Sardar Patel is not the father of the nation. Mahatma Gandhi is the father of the nation. Okay, Sardar Patel unified. He was the first home minister. So we'll talk about these things. We'll get to know. We will have something about Sardar Patel in the next session when we meet.
Iron Man. Sardar Patel is called as Iron Man.
Yes, Iron Man, Loh Purush, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Yes. Okay, so Shruti is now making giant strides. She's in the top. Okay, question number 8. Answer fast to get more points. Which is the coldest continent in the world? We spoke about this today. Remember?
I got it in 1.491 seconds.
Very nice. Next
I
time.
also got it in 1 second.
Hey, see, everybody knew it. Okay, it's just like.
So you are all paying attention. That's
All of
one
you are
thing
paying
we know.
attention. We are very happy. Okay. Rudra, please write your own name next time. Otherwise, I'll end up calling you Rucha, which is your mother's name. Okay. So please write your own name when you log in. Oh, Sai was the fastest. Now she has.
Log in with WhatsApp.
Oh, no problem. We know you are Rudra, so don't worry. Okay, let's go to question number 9. There are after this. Which of the following is not made from milk? Tricky question, perhaps. I don't know. All of you, anyone who is interested in food should know this.
What is made cake?
Okay.
This is too easy.
So one of these is definitely not made from only milk. Okay, everything else. Cake is not made from milk. There is a milk cake which is a mithai.
This is too easy.
But ice cream from milk, butter from milk, cheese from milk, curd from milk, cake from maida, which is
they call it dairy product.
dairy product. So cake is not a dairy product.
So we'll be talking about these general topics also sometime.
Oh my God, Shruti and Adya got this one.
Is that going to be costly?
Not very, but they come. Yes. Okay, so Karani, Arab,
Arav has come in top.
14th, he will now be at 11th.
yeah, 6 questions. So Kolkata is in the lead right now. In which continent will you find Germany? We spoke about this today. Remember?
1.444 seconds, 444.
Very nice.
Europa League. Karthik, it's in Europa League.
Sir,
Yeah.
Shruti Kapoor is my classmate.
Very nice. Is she your friend also?
Yes.
Good. Very nice. So you can tell, always good to have classmates. Yeah. So Germany is in Europe. Okay. Germany is the biggest country in Europe. Do not calculate Russian part of this. Okay. I think France is bigger than Germany.
I think France is big.
I think France or Germany, one of them is bigger. So we will check and get back to you. Okay, but Germany is fairly big. Okay, so but is in Europe? That's the answer. Let's quickly go to the next one. Oh, is any change? Who was the fastest? Sai was the fastest. 1.444.
For search. Did anyone
Okay, last 5 questions.
Last 5 questions and last 10 minutes or so to go. So don't worry. This is logo of which bank? Now this is tricky. This is tricky.
You may not have
seen
gone out a
gone
lot
out.
in last
Sorry.
year or
Did anyone call for search?
Yeah, this is something some of you may not get. But these
Sir,
are
I have got because my mother goes to that bank also.
okay. Good. Great. Yes, State Bank of India. Very popular bank. So many branches. I think it has the largest branch network in India. So State Bank, the logo. That was logo of State Bank. So we keep some difficult questions here or there. Agastya doesn't really know about State Bank, but that's okay. His father takes care of all this.
I'm 11th.
Okay, Kritika is still first. So very nice. Good, good.
I am after son.
Okay. Now, in which continent is this country? So we showed you some of the continents and where this
1.131 seconds.
that song, those continents
Did
are
anyone
different
call
places. That is what you have to remember.
and don't worry, whatever we covered, this will be part of the ebook. So you will get to revise as well.
Did anyone call for search?
So that country was China. Okay, this country was China, and this is part of Asia. So I think we'll need to give you something wherein you will be able to see. Okay, this is this continent. And all. We'll send-
One thing we'll end the video one more time
Yeah,
today.
we will show you the continents video again, so you will see where exactly. Now again a similar question coming up. Okay, which continent is where?
Okay, I'm in top 10.
Okay, Sana is now in 9th position. Yashika is in 10th. That is good. The last 3 questions. Similar question coming. Now there is a similar question. This country is Canada. Which continent is this country in? We spoke about
Did
this.
anyone call for
Canada,
search?
Karthik, say Sanay to mute.
Ask Sanay to mute. Suggest. Sanay, can you please mute? You are disturbing Yashika. Everyone has voted. This is
different
North
answers.
America. Okay, North America, South America. So anyway, we will show you the video once again, and then you will be able to find out Canada, then USA, then Mexico. So So that is where it was. So I think we'll need to tell you where exactly which continent is. Perhaps maybe we can have a visual on the screen towards the end of this. So we will bring that visual so that you will remember. Okay, let's
Search.
answer fast to get more points. Who is this person in the picture? Identify. You can't zoom, I think. Can you? No.
Sir,
it is very easy.
Very easy. Yeah, everyone knows this person. Very
I don't
popular.
know this person. I don't watch cricket or badminton and it is of course
You can
not
make
the-
an educated guess. So if you know
course
this is
not
not
the
Prime Minister of India, not
It's a film star, but I don't know what's his name.
no,
Because
that is
the vice
Jasprit
producer-
Bumrah.
Sir, Jasprit Bumrah.
Yes,
Right.
that is Jasprit Bumrah, who was, cricketer. Okay, this is not a film star. He was wearing
Yeah,
a
I
coat
thought
and he
it
looked
was
like a film star, but he's a cricketer.
Oh.
So that was a tricky question. So that's why, we have a couple of tricky questions here or there so that you guys also know where, Kritika missed it. Okay. Arav also, Shruti. Okay, so a lot of change. Kanishk Mundle was fastest.
Okay, I'm still in my place at top 10.
Okay, Sharwani is second. That's good. So I think it is Nagpur, Hyderabad, Kolkata, West Bengal.
I was born in Maharashtra.
So you are in Maharashtra today, sir?
I was born in Maharashtra, but now I'm in Hyderabad.
Yeah, now in Hyderabad. So we are talking about now. Okay. So we have Hyderabad as well. So which of the following is not in Asia? So if you don't know this, you just know one of these things is not in Asia. We spoke about that.
Call for search.
We spoke about that.
It's easy.
Is it easy?
Yeah.
It's
We
very
spoke only
easy.
about one out of these 5.
Yeah.
We did not speak about.
One needs to answer one of the.
Okay.
It's easy.
Yay. Okay, so Taj Mahal is in India. Taj Mahal is in India. India is in Asia. So Taj Mahal is in Asia. Statue of Unity is in Gujarat, India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel statue. So that is in Asia, India and Asia.
Sir,
Great Wall of China. Already we spoke China.
sir, I have.
Sorry?
Sir, मैं लीव हो गया मेंटी से.
Okay, no
Okay,
worries,
no
no
problem,
worries.
no
You
problem.
rejoin a bit.
Might have mistaken Statue of Unity to Statue of Liberty.
Yes. Gateway of India is also in India. So India
Show me
and
the
China is
leaderboard quickly. Can you
Pyramids
show me
are-
the leaderboard quickly because there's a class at 5 o'clock, so I have to also get a change and all.
Okay. Can't you do it virtually like Logicology?
It's a badminton class, Karthik. How can we do a
That is a
badminton
joke.
class?
You are 10th. Okay. So Kanishk Mundle comes first. Sharwani is
Bye, Karthik.
bye. Okay. So Kritika is third. I think Sahi is fourth. Anak is fifth. Arav is sixth. Jessica 7th. Shruti 8th. Agastya 9th and Sanay is 10th. Okay.
Karthik, I was at the at very, I mean to say, like not at the first or second that like position because I missed 3 questions.
No worries, that's okay. No worries. So if you know the answer, that's okay. This is just for fun and learning. So if you are learning something new, if you remembered something new, if you got to learn something, that is what we were really interested in. I will just stop sharing my screen and we'll show you the continents once again.
we'll
Where
just
exactly?
do
Yeah.
a quick recap on
I did not come the first because I got one wrong, even though I was the fastest in every question.
That is good. Don't get anything wrong. Okay. So now you see there are.
Please show the video.
Yeah, we will show the video also.
The
Take a look at
world
the
is
video.
split up into continents. There are 7 in all. And if you get the gist, we're gonna make a list from biggest to small. They are Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and finally Australia. Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and finally Australia.
Okay, we'll just quickly go slow and show where exactly which continent is. Yeah, okay. So yeah, so it's not getting refresh.
It's not? Okay, let me just do it one more time. Is
Yeah.
it? showing up now?
Yeah. So the red is Asia. This color. So
Yeah.
you need to
This
okay.
one is
Africa,
then
North America, South America, Antarctica at the bottom, Europe and Australia. So yellow is Australia, red is Asia, purple is Europe, purple is this is Europe,
Yeah.
okay, and then Africa is brown, and then North America, this is North America, and this is South America. So if you want to show where exactly Germany is in
Somewhere
Europe,
here.
somewhere. Okay, South Africa is in south part of Africa. So in the maps, the top part is north. So this is
north.
it's
This
not.
is south.
Yeah, this is south. Antarctica is in the south. So if you go up, it is north. Down, it is south. Right is east. This is east, and this is west.
This is
Okay,
west.
this is west. So that is how you read maps. So you can actually do this fun thing. You know, if you have a map or an atlas at your place, just try finding these countries. I'll tell you the names. Where is Kenya? Where is New zealand? And where is Peru? Peru. You know, in Marathi, Peru, we call guava as Peru, but find out Peru is a, okay. So that is kind of homework for you, perhaps. And we will play this map game wherein we'll show you a country on the map and you'll have to identify which country is this. But that is the best way, fun way of learning how exactly. Yeah, Peru is in South America. Someone has already told us. So where exactly in South America? Find out. Okay. So whenever it's a great fun thing to keep looking at maps, finding out which country is where, and you know that improves your knowledge as well. Okay. So let's complete this video, by the way.
Europe, and finally Australia.
Hey, my name is Asia, and more than half of the world lives here, but whatever.
And I am Africa with desert for miles, and my Nile is the longest river. North America, start down in Panama, wide open spaces all the way to Canada.
And South America with animals galore, where the rainforest grows, cause the rain really pours.
I'm Antarctica, I'm totally ours.
And I'm Europe. You're welcome for the pasta, pizza, waffles, and fries.
I am Australia, some call me Oceania. I got a lot of islands, too many to explain to ya.
We are Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and finally Australia.
Okay, I think we are almost at 5 o'clock. So if there are any questions, we'll take these questions. You can also see the world map. Okay, so these are all these different countries. So we spoke about Peru.
Understanding anything.
Sorry?
We cannot. Yes. Now we can understand.
Yeah. Okay, so these are different. So these world maps are
We'll
available.
be talking about all of these
All
in
of
detail
these.
later.
Yeah. Okay. So if there are any questions, you can ask us. Otherwise, I think it's what's the
Yes,
time?
I think it's 5 o'clock. anyhow.
Anyone who wants
Yes,
to
it
go,
is
we
sharp
can.
5
It's 5 o'clock. Okay. Did you guys have fun?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So we'll see you next time. Next time when we meet will be first Saturday in February. I think that is what date?
Let me just check.
We'll just check the thing and
I might have to stop sharing. For
yeah,
this.
that's okay. We don't really
Yeah.
need. Yeah. So the next time we meet is 6th of February. Okay, 6th of February we'll meet, and then after that we'll meet on 20th of February. Don't worry, we'll keep on sending you stuff on WhatsApp group. So those of you who want to confirm your participation in this annual quiz club, please contact us. We'll send you a form. You'll have to pay the fees and you'll become the member. Otherwise, we'll keep you telling about the open quizzes that we conduct. Okay. So if you had fun, we had fun too. Thank you so much. If there are any questions, take the questions. Okay.
And said there are no questions.
Yeah. What question?